Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will walk you through how to use Hubstaff in 2025 step by step. Whether you are a freelancer, a remote team member, or a business owner, Hubstaff makes time tracking, productivity monitoring, and team management super simple. Let's dive in. Hubstaff is a time tracking tool that also captures screenshots, tracks activity levels, manages tasks, and even handles payrolls in all in one place. Perfect for remote teams, freelancer agencies, project managers. Let's set it up. Head over to staff.com, hobbystaff.com. Sign up with email or Google account. Just enter your email here, then click enter or and enter your first name, last name, and use a strong password. Then check this box and click create my account button. Now go to your email inbox and verify Hubstaff. Then confirm account. Then create your organization and invite team members or skip if you are solo. Name of enter your name, organization name. Then if you have an website link here, enter your link here, then company name like manager, then click next. To start tracking time, download the Hubstaff desktop app for Windows, Mac, Linux. Once installed, login, select a project, click start to begin tracking time. It runs in the background and captures time worked, apps used, URLs visited, activity level, optional screenshots, and click stop when done. Back on the web dashboard, and go to project section, click add project, give it a name, choose billable or non-billable, assign team members to the project. You can also connect tasks from Hubstaff tasks, Trello, Asana, ClickUp, and more via integrations. Team members select their assigned project or task before tracking time. After your team has logged time, go to the reports tab. See total hours by users, project or date, member, which you want. Track productivity by checking activity levels, filter by client, task or tags, export reports as CSV or PDF, perfect for client, billing or payroll review. Under settings, then features, you can enable screenshot capturing every 10 minutes, blurred if needed, app and URL tracking, idle time detection, activity percentage. This helps monitor productivity and is great for managing remote teams. You can adjust permissions per user or project so your team feels secure. Then go to Teams tab, or People tabs. Then click members, and click on member, add and set hourly rates, weekly limits, payment schedule. Then connect to PayPal, Wise, Bitwise, or Payoneer. Hubstaff can automatically calculate pay based on time tracked and process payments. No manual work needed. Download the Hubstaff mobile app from Google Play Store or App Store. You can track time, view tasks, see team activity, get alert. Great for managing on the go or tracking field work. And that's how to use Hubstaff for beginners in 2025. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial on integrations on Hubstaff or Hubstaff tasks next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.